Trevor Long with you, technology commentator, and I am so looking forward to coming to the MFAA Roadshows. We are going to spend a bit of time at each of these roadshows teaching you some tips and tricks and ways to get the most from your technology, particularly your smartphone, especially those who are out on the road. You're on the road a lot, you're traveling between clients, and you're not getting the most from your smartphone. It might be battery life, it might be being organized, it might be getting there on time. We're going to talk about all the things that are built into your smartphone, as well as maybe some great app ideas that'll actually keep you maybe more organized, maybe it'll change your life, maybe it'll simple little nugget of information that you'll take away and tell your friends about at a dinner party. But no matter what it is, it'll be a quick, simple, engaging session where we talk about things that are on your smartphone, that thing you carry with you every day, everywhere. Now, I might also find a few apps that will be useful and important to you to improve your work-life balance. It could be to improve your ability to deal with your clients. We'll have a bunch of fun, and I'm also going to take your questions too. So if you've got technology questions, especially when it comes to doing business in your field, hold them up, get them ready, because I'm going to take your questions as well at the MFAA Roadshow. Can't wait to be there, looking forward to it, and can't wait to bring you some great tips and tricks for the technology in your life.